What is going on, guys? This is Cassie from Passive Passion Online Income, and in today's video I am actually going to be taking you guys on a short little tour. Not short, but it's going to be a long tour in one of the most iconic and beautiful national parks of America. It's called the Yosemite National Park. Okay, as you can see, the background looks stunning, looks beautiful. So been waiting for this moment for a very, very long time, and I'll be going on a hike. So we'll be walking around and we'll be showing you this beautiful and amazing place. All right, so stay with me and enjoy the journey. It wasn't an easy ride, and for the ones thinking of coming here, do take some important notes that you will have to be leaving early, so if you're staying in San Francisco or in, let's say, any other part of California, just make sure that you guys leave early in the morning in order to beat the traffic, and also to make sure that you reach the valley, the national park, on time. All right, so with that being said, we've got a lot of exploring to do. This is my map, and let's go ahead and enjoy Yosemite National Park of California.
Yeah, we better be right up there.
Just look at that, stunning, really stunning. So beautiful. There you can see the waterfall. I'm gonna zoom the camera right there. See that? Marvelous.
This was early this winter.
Yosemite National Park, California, guys. Enjoy the magnificent view. See that? Beautiful. There's a lot to explore, so you guys gotta stay with me. Enjoy this journey. I promise you to bring the best of the best. And not just Yosemite National Parks. I'm gonna make it a point to visit as many national parks as possible during my 2 to 3 months of stay out here in America, because apart from working on my business projects, I've also made it a point to fulfill all my demands and needs within my agenda when it comes to adventure and trips. All right, so enjoy.
Bottom of the waterfalls, you see the placard once again, and then you'll take the trail, which will lead you through about 30 switchbacks that will get you over to the top on the bottom of the waterfalls. See how the waterfall.
So you guys have watched Forrest Gump, right? In case if you haven't, then please do so. Smash hit movie in the 90s or in the 80s, I believe. I mean, somewhere, I think it was released in 1986 or 1988. I don't really remember the year exactly, starring Tom Hanks. And it was a smash hit, big blockbuster. So I'm currently at a restaurant called Forrest Gump, which is owned by Tom Hanks, and a company called Landry's, alright, co-owned. So far, feels like it's got a great vibe, very exciting vibe, as you can see around. This is the restaurant and it's got a fantastic view. Look at that. See that? Oh my goodness. This is just amazing. That's the Alcatraz Island right there. at 1 o'clock. So, yeah, this is San Francisco City, baby. And if you are coming here, make it a point to come and visit this lovely restaurant. Food is amazing, drinks are amazing. Don't forget to visit Baba Ghan. Okay? And most importantly, try the shrimps. Because if you don't try the shrimps, then that means you haven't enjoyed the most famous dishes. Alright? And also do try the root beer. Cheers to life. Hello, hi. That's the shrimp mac and cheese. We got a garlic bread on there. And nice little beer. This is my root beer.